How to delete an invite message on Instagram. This tutorial shows you how to remove an invite message from a conversation on your Android device. First, open Instagram on your Android device and go to your messages. An invite message usually appears when the person you messaged hasn't accepted messages from people they don't follow yet. If you want to delete or unsend the message, long press on it and check if the unsend option appears. If it does, tap it and the message will be removed. If the unsend option isn't showing up, here's how to get around it. Tap on the person's profile at the top of the chat. From there, tap Privacy and Safety, then tap Block and Confirm. Once you've blocked them, go back to the conversation, and you'll now see the option to delete the entire conversation, including the invite message you wanted to remove. Tap it to clear everything out. After that, go back to their profile and unblock them if you'd like to. Keep in mind, deleting the conversation removes it from your end only. If the other person had already seen the message before you deleted it, there's no way to unsee it on their side. And that's it. If this guide helped you delete an invite message on Instagram, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon to stay updated. See you in the next one.